Hello, this is Kim from Sixpenny Memories. I'm just going to show you very quickly how to put on the embroidery unit onto the Brittania sewing machine. Just clattering away with the box at the moment. You have a Brittania 16, which has 16 stitches, a 65, which has 65 stitches, and the Brittania 200. On all of those machines, it has 200 stitches. On all of those machines, you can add the embroidery unit at any time you want. I don't know another machine that's out there that I can do that. So you've bought a machine with only 16 stitches, fancy a bit of embroidery, and you can add this as a separate unit. Don't get me wrong, it's a considered purchase. However, it's still nearly half the price of the smallest machine, that's embroidery machine that's out there at the moment. This is your accessory box, which is normally on the front. I've already just taken this off. You slide that off. And the first thing you do is you drop your feed dogs. So drop the feed dogs there. Okay. The embroidery unit has this plug, which is going to go into the machine. I'm going to show you in a second. So all you'll do, if I bring this further back along here, is you get your embroidery unit, and you'd normally be at the other side. I'm doing this from behind so you can see, and you slide it so it clicks in. So it's clicked in there, lovely. You're then going to take your plug, and there's an arrow on the plug here, and on the side of the machine, if I just squidge that round, on the side of the machine there's a reference point there. There's also an arrow sticker on the top, so all you do is marry those two up and pop them in like that. So it's as simple as that. The screen on the front of the embroidery machine will tilt out as well, so it's going to give you easy access, but for the purposes of here, because the sun is actually shining in the northeast, I'm going to leave that this way at the moment. Switch the machine on. Now the first thing that I'll do, can you see it's coming up on the screen here, lovely, is it's going to ask you, have you lowered the feed dogs? And all you'll do is literally on a touch screen is say yes. Okay, so now it's done that. It's now asking you, have you taken out your foot presser control, which I hadn't, so I'm going to take that out. This is just here, and I'm going to say OK to that. And it's asking you if you have got your hoop, and we'll just say OK to that. Yeah. Alright, so what it's going to do now is it's calibrating the embroidery unit, and it's brought that on, can you see? From the farthest point of the machine that it was here, it was over here before, it's brought it to here, so it's all ready now to start your embroidery. How simple is that? So hopefully that's going to give you a little guide. I'm going to do another video, and if soon, and it'll show you the next stage, how to select things. So thank you for watching.